All right, guys, picking back off where we left off, guys. Still in this live move. Now, keep in mind, this is not live for you. This is going to be a recorded case study. So that's the difference. If you in a live portal with us as being a VIP member, you can make these moves along with us. But we got a leverage position. Remember, I bought that 8.5, man. And now they coming down to 7.5 just because it's a little defense, man. But it's looking good right now. And so I'm going to pull the trigger on that one. I guarantee you the juice is going to be pretty decent. All right, so we're going to do another unit of 50, right? So that's another one, 50 to win, 45-45 at 7.5. So we, boom, place that bet, right? So bam, we're going to hurry up and do that. So let's go back over to our PowerPoint. And I kind of changed it up a little bit. So we risk another 50, right? And I'm going to put the dollar sign on that and make it look good, guys. Put the money signs on there, right? Risked another 50, right? And let's see, to win. I don't even know what my stake was again. I'll be forgetting. Hold on, let me see. See, they keep in mind, okay, we'll just say 47.62. And they record these bets. As soon as you pull the trigger, they log them, and so you don't have to worry about logging them yourself. But we're doing this as a simulation. All right. So that's 7.5 that went up. So we'll just take that 52. I like that price on that to win 52. 50. They giving you love on the juice right now. They giving you love, and the reason being, and we took the 7.5, and it's the reason they giving us love right now is because of the defense that's being played, right? And then we put over, right? It's beautiful though. Defense. I want defense. So look, record taken for live simulation. This is Texas Rangers versus the Cleveland Indians, Wednesday, August 7, 2019. All right. And this is going to be the first game. I'll go ahead and put the time. I want people to know what's going on so they can know that, hey, man, we said take these moves, and this is what happened, right? This was the first game because they got a double hitter, right? And so now we're good to go on that. So let's come back to our board, and let's see where my screen at. All right, good. So we're gonna leave it like that. Let's keep it like that, guys. We took those two measures, right? 7.5, 8.5, no scoring, bottom of the third. This is where we grab a leverage. So we got two spaces. Look at that 52.5. That look pretty. They giving us plus 105. I'm taking it. I love it. All right, we'll be back, guys. This was just a leverage position, just an update.